Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This property sits on 7,000 square feet corner lot that is located on Market Street, St. Anne's Bay. This property has a total of 12 bedrooms, which consists of a helper's quarters, two two-bedroom apartments, three studios, one three-bedroom unit, one small bedroom apartment, and two kitchens. The prospective investment property is ideal for either commercial or residential purposes. Guys, it's time to take a quick look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaica 70 million or US $455,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.